Hey everybody, how's it going? It's been a little while since we did our last video. Oh, again, like I say every time, busy, a lot of stuff going on, but I'm on a solo trip today. I'm going to the interior. Just going by myself with Kona, but just drove into this. So I don't know what it's going to look like where I'm going, but hopefully it's always a little drier. It's kind of around the Caribbean area and stuff, so it's usually a little drier and stuff like that out there. So I'm hoping there's not that much up there, but I'm going fairly high up in the mountains, so we'll see. There's a bunch of caves that up there. We've been there before, but there's also a lake up there that I've never been to. So my goal is tonight I'll probably just find a camp spot, camp for the night, so it's not late, but by the time I get there, it's gonna get a little bit later in the day. But then tomorrow I think I'm gonna explore, see if I can hopefully find that lake. But for now, just gotta get through this. So yeah, we'll see how it is once we get a little farther. Hopefully it dries up a bit. I just stop for a quick little break here, let the dog run around. We stop here almost every time we pass. It's a nice spot, but snow lines move back up, so that's good. You see a little bit over there, but it's a good sign. I mean, I don't care about camping in the snow, but got the heater and heated blanket, all that good stuff anyway, so. But I really want to find that lake, so hopefully it's not too bad. But anyways, yeah, let Colin run around for a few, and then we're gonna mosey on out and keep on going. Hey, so we're at the bottom of the mountain now. I did see a dusting of snow up top, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I guess for now, I'm just gonna go up, find a camp spot, set up, probably make some dinner, call it an early night, but getting a little foggy, which hopefully it clears up, because one of the nice things about coming up here is the view that you get. But I'm sure it will, but at the bottom, you know, it was so windy. At least it doesn't seem to be windy up here right now, so that's good. But it was brutal coming up here, like going down the highway and that, driving a big brick just to blown all over the place. Well, I guess this will be a good sign that there's nobody up here. Tree down. I don't have a chainsaw, but I think I can probably pull it out of the way with the winch. And it is cold. That was actually, I just lifted it up and moved it. I thought it'd be a lot heavier than that. Oh, tune you on and get back in my heated Jeep, because this sucks. Oh, made it. Nobody's here. Pretty sweet spot. See the fog all blowing through. I did see some clear sky over that way, so hopefully it's gonna hit here soon, but it is definitely chilly. But yeah, we're about 1,200 meters, I think, roughly elevation, but you got a clear shot down there of the valley and everything once the clouds are gone, so hopefully they'll disappear soon. And then yeah, I'm just gonna build a fire, have some dinner, relax. Probably have an early night, but either way, I'm pretty stoked. It's always different doing it by yourself. I've only done it a few times, but yeah, it's nice. There, before I did anything else, got the fire going. It is chilly, like I've said a bunch of times. So anyways, yeah, you can kind of see the sun wanting to come out over there. So hopefully it clears up, but I'm just gonna set up everything now, set up the tent, the awning maybe. It's pretty windy, but we'll see. I don't really need it right now. It's not raining, nothing anyways, but yeah, so set up and start relaxing. Not easy. Oh, it's starting to clear up now, so now you can see some of that view. That's pretty nice. Good morning, everyone. That was definitely a chilly night, but diesel heater worked like a champion, so it wasn't too bad inside the tent. But check out the view to wake up to. That's nice. Sun's just coming up. Fresh snow up on top of the mountains. I usually only like to camp by water because I just got some water thing, but waking up like this with this view ain't so bad. I think I'm just gonna make some breakfast. Had to sleep with the dog last night because it was too cold. I didn't want to leave her in the Jeep, so now I'm covered in dog hair. But yeah, gonna make some breakfast and then go see if I can find that lake. And I think I have found it on the maps now, so hopefully it won't be too bad to get to. But well, let's get some food in me and let's get this day going. Now it's just getting a little snowy. Okay, so after a few turnarounds, following wrong trails and that, I think I'm on the right one now. It's tracks, so obviously go somewhere. Man, I'm not used to looking at the snow when it's sunny. It's so bright in the old eyes. Somebody busting some donuts. Oh, this is cool. A little wreck site here. That's sweet. And I sure came and camped here last night. Yeah, I did not expect this here. That's a fair sized lake too. Let's go back in the summertime with kayaks and stuff. You gonna get it, Kona? Trying to get the drone. You give up, Kona? Not even close. You can tell somebody was having problems getting out of there. I did pass a truck at the bottom. I wonder if it was them because those look very fresh. I don't know what tires he had on there because it wasn't all that bad, but well, that was a cool little quick fun adventure. Nothing super challenging or anything like that, obviously, but nice to get out by yourself sometimes. Hit that recharge button, you know. I don't know what it is, but no matter how bad of a week or like that you have, as soon as you hit the mountain, it all makes better. But yeah, so I think this would be close to the end of the video. Oh, actually, one thing I forgot to mention was I don't have it mounted yet, but I got myself one of those pedal commanders. Some people like them, some people don't. The only real complaint I had with this Eco Diesel was the throttle lag. Sometimes it actually took the fun out of going up in the mountain. Like it was horrible sometimes. It drove me absolutely nuts. So finally I decided to give it a shot, and that thing completely changed everything about this Jeep. It's unreal how much more responsive it is. It has no more of that lag or that bog or anything like that. It used to be really bad in third gear. Now it doesn't do it at all. When you have it in Sport Plus mode, it thing is just unreal. Like it just takes right off. We actually tried it in Josh's Jeep, which is the 3.6, and when he shifted in second gear, it actually got rubber in second gear. It was crazy. So it is like, it doesn't give you more power, it just changes shift points and all that throttle response and that. It was just night and day. So if you're ever thinking about maybe getting one, you're not sure, I highly recommend it. It was unreal. Like I said, it completely changed the way this Jeep drove, and it made it way more fun. But yeah, like I said, if you're on the fence about it, definitely do it. But anyways, well, I'm on my way down, so it was a nice, fun, quick camp night by myself. But anyways, everybody, thanks for watching.